Okay, you'll remember that I said that you have to line this exhaust up and put the screw in, and I just took it out just to show where the screw lines up there. You can see it's got some dust in the way right now. But anyway, I don't have that screw in there, so when you put it back in there and then hook up those wires there, and then just make sure and attach that with the screw, which you're going to need when you connect this up to the wall. So now we're going to talk about putting the back on, which is really quite simple. It's just a bunch of screws is all. It's very simple actually, this whole setup. And so the first thing we're going to do is simply goes up here and just sits there. Easy as that. Just sits in place, okay, up here. And then this goes, let's see, how does this thing go? Make sure we got it. Yeah, this goes on here like this. So this, you just don't want to put a screw back here yet, because that's going to put you, so what you're going to do is now you're going to take a screw and screw in all of these places. And I'm just going to start and put in like 4 screws. And I want to show you where they all go. So just take my handy little screwdriver here. Now normally you don't tighten all of these screws at one time because you can get it, it can be a little bit off, and then you have to go back and try to readjust everything, which can be a real pain. I think all these screws are the same. I'll put them all in one spot. Screw up here. And I'm just going to put in a couple more screws in the bottom, but let me just show you before I do that all the screws that have to go in here. Okay, so then this is going to go on here, so you're going to put some other screws in then. So when you put this on here, then you put on a screw here, you put on a screw here, you put on a screw right back there, you put one there, you see that right there, and you put one right there. But all the other screws that you have to put in are all the way down here. So all the way around the edge, you put in more screws. All the way across the bottom. Not forgetting one goes here, one goes here, one goes here. Sorry. One goes there. So there, there, and there. All the way along here, across the bottom, you can pretty much see wherever a screw goes. One there, up here, all the way up this side. There and there. So that's all screwed in place. And you want to make sure that that's nice and put back together like it should be. And I'm just going to put in a few screws right now that you'll have to take out just so we can, move the thing around.